Hey everyone, James Henderson here. Let me ask you something. The ever moment sales pitch that everybody wants to hear, right? How much would you pay someone to build you a professional website? 3,000? 5,000? Maybe 10,000 for something really custom. Ah, sort of little cash here. Yeah. So now what if I told you that you could build it yourself in just 4 hours without writing a single line of code? Yeah, I know what you're thinking, James. I'm not a programmer. I don't know anything about web development. Perfect. Neither do most of my students when they start. Because here's my belief: AI should empower people, not replace them. And that includes empowering you to build the digital presence your business deserves without hiring expensive developers or learning code. Look, I've talked to hundreds of small business owners and I hear the same story over and over. You tried one of those website buildings, you know the one, the drag and drop, look easy in the commercials, but you end up finding the templates that don't quite do what you need. You're paying for monthly fees forever, and the moment you want something custom, you're stuck. Or maybe you've hired a developer, paid thousands up front, waited weeks or months, and now every little change costs you more money and more waiting. Boy, do I have stories on that one. Meanwhile, your competitors down the street has a slick website, integrated e-commerce, automated email follow-ups, and you're wondering how they afford it. Here's the secret they figured out: AI agents. Think of an AI agent like ChatGPT as your personal developer. You, you tell it what you want in plain English. I need a contact form. I need a shopping cart. I need a spam filter. And it builds it for you. That's that's what my build your own website in 4 hours using AI agents workshop is all about. Okay, in just 4 hours together, we're going to build a real professional website, not a toy, not a template, a custom Laravel based website with e commerce functionality so that you can sell products on, build a built in CRM to manage your customers, spam protection that actually works, automatic automated social media postings powered by ChatGPT, and a complete ownership. No monthly fees to some platform. Well, you still get to pay for hosting, but that's like $4 a month. All right. So now I can see some of you are raising your eyebrows going, 4 hours? Really? Yeah, really. I mean, the site that you're looking on took me 3.5. But of course, I already had it all figured out, the plan. And thing is, I didn't write a single line of code. So because you're not learning how to program, we're learning how to work with an AI agent that does the programming for us. You bring your business knowledge. You know what your website needs to do. The AI agent translates that into working code. You describe features in plain English, and the AI builds it. So this isn't just about saving money on a website, though you can save thousands. This is about ownership, control, independence. When you build it yourself with AI, you own it. Want to add a feature next month? You can. Want to change something? You can do that too. No waiting, no extra fees, no begging a developer to fit you into their schedule. This workshop is live online via Zoom. We're building, together in real time. I'm walking you through every step. We're we're not just watching, we're doing. By the end of the 4 hours, you're going to have a functioning website. And here's the beautiful part. Once you understand how to work with an AI agent this way, you can keep your building. You can keep improving. You can keep adding features as your business grows. Okay, so this workshop is for entrepreneurs who've been putting off getting a real website because of the cost. A small business owner who's tired of paying monthly fees for limited functionality. The solopreneur who wants to compete with the bigger companies without a big budget. Anyone who's ever thought, I wish I could just build this myself. Hey, listen, I'm a veteran with 25 years in technology. I've built systems for enterprise and small businesses, and I've spent my career making complex technology accessible to everyday people. I don't believe technology should be a barrier. I, I believe it should be a bridge. So here's what I want to do. I want I actually want you to go down to the link below and sign up. So check out the details, see what you're building together, and if you're ready to take control of your digital presence, join me. Bring your laptop, bring your business idea, and bring your questions. Leave leave with a working website and a knowledge to keep building. Remember, AI should empower the people and not replace them. Let me show you how to use AI to empower your business. I'm James Henderson, and I can't wait to build something with you. See you in a few weeks.